so doggone hot. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stand it. I'm gonna eat, babe. We went to this place the other day that claimed to be Chinese food, but I mean it was, I guess it was Chinese food, but
It just wasn't good Chinese food.
yeah. Somebody didn't know how to park, and he's got to fix the truck because it's he was parked all over into 2 lines. Now he's good. Our hot and sour soup has been delivered. How is it, babe?
Good.
Chicken wings. How are they? So crunchy. Of course, is here, which is triple Mongolian, which is shrimp, beef, and chicken. How was your dinner? So it seems like it might have cooled off a little bit. Maybe. It actually still says 94 degrees. But maybe the humidity. I don't know, maybe not. But we're almost here to see Pops. We stopped and got some bread, so we will be able to go feed the ducks. We'll only be out there like 3 minutes though, because it's hot.
Up next, a young patriot on a mission.
Hello.
Hello.
You don't know me? Mr. Shelling. You didn't recognize me? Yeah.
I had to focus.
Oh, how you doing?
I'm doing alright.
How's your arm?
Still hurt.
Still hurts? Well, you know you go see Dr. Cuba tomorrow.
Yeah.
And they gonna mark you up for radiation.
Yeah. What's up, Pop? That's Stevie.
Say hello.
Hello. Does it draw her a little bit?
I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too. What's going on, y'all? Just got done seeing with my dad, and this is kind of like a little area here where they can kind of hang out and talk if they want to. But of course, my dad's kind of bedridden, so he doesn't really get the opportunity to come out here, but he still kind of does some day-to-day activities here and there. But just waiting for her to finish with the bathroom, and then we're gonna kind of head and go feed the ducks and see what happens there. I'm outside. Okay.
Oh.
All right. All right, bye. Guess who was just calling me.
Hey.
So, all right, y'all, we're gonna get ready to get in the car, and then we're gonna go see. The temperature's actually a lot better than it was when we first left the house, so I think we might be able to get about 20 minutes in.
10.
20.
And I'm trying to, buddy. Look at my husband over there not feeding not one. They ain't stupid. I'm almost out of breath.
Surrounded by geese or goose or whatever. Look at them. Just surrounded. Are you being mauled?
Yes. I think somebody better today. Here.
Whoa! What's going on there, man? I mean, just whoa!
The last piece I need to start walking away.
We gotta make our escape because we're like literally surrounded by geese. So let's get up out of here. Look at it. Look at it. These daggum geese are crazy.
Ooh, Lord, y'all can tell the humidity is real. You ain't even really gonna feed them.
I fed them a couple times.
You was scared?
I don't know. They're pretty aggressive.
You out of breath?
No, I'm good.
I'm out of breath.
She really would love that.
So we're in the at-home store and trying to figure out what to get for Oma for her birthday. This peacock wind chime right here, which is really pretty. Hold it. Yeah.
That's nice.
So it's really pretty and I love peacocks. Now we are on the way to see Oma and Oka and give Oma her gift. Hey pretty girl, you happy to see us? Hello. It's not an angel.
Hey, that's you, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm not hanging it outside.
So that's our toy bucket now, and dump it on the floor so they can see how many's in there. And let them, I'll clean it. So this is their toys. There's some over there too. I would say there's just a few. What do you think?
It's ridiculous.
How's she even gonna get in there to get them? Huh?
Stand up on her legs, trust me.
Hey, you don't know what that is? That's not even the favorite baby. You not sure about that, girl? You not sure? So that's a new toy thing. Right. Well, I think we are going to go ahead and end this vlog for tonight. And we will see you all in the next one. Bye.